Ready to capture every wild, unforgettable moment in crystal clarity? In this video, we're diving into the top action cameras of 2025, each packed with cutting-edge tech to help you film like a pro. And hey, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get into it. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is built for serious creators and adrenaline junkies. It's rocking a large 1.13-inch image sensor, bigger than most phones, and it shoots buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second, which is perfect for stunning slow-motion shots. DJI's enhanced stabilization tech makes your footage steady even during intense movement, and subject tracking ensures your focus stays locked no matter how wild the action gets. What's really handy is the dual OLED touchscreens, making front-facing filming super easy, great for vloggers. And yes, it's fully waterproof without any extra case, ideal for diving or surfing. If you're after cinema-quality shots in a rugged, go-anywhere package, this one's a top contender. Check the link below to see more. Black GoPro's Hero 13 Black continues its legacy with some serious firepower. The 5.3 K60 video quality delivers razor-sharp details and vibrant color, and the 27-megapixel stills are amazing for grabbing frame-worthy moments. This latest model supports HB series interchangeable lenses, which gives you more control over your visuals, whether you're shooting ultra-wide or going for tight detail shots. The rugged body is waterproof and ready for any weather, and with built-in stabilization plus horizon lock, your footage stays super smooth. The UI is super intuitive, and voice controls work like a charm when your hands are full. If you want a trusted, high-performance action cam that's ready for anything, the Hero 13 Black delivers. Link in the description. For those who love immersive video, the Insta360 X4 is an 8K beast. You get 360-degree recording with incredible clarity, and it can also function as a traditional 4K wide-angle camera, giving you the best of both worlds. What makes it iconic is the invisible selfie stick effect, where the stick literally disappears in your footage, perfect for creating that drone-like feel. It has removable lens guards for added protection, an upgraded AI-powered editing suite, and a battery that lasts up to 135 minutes. Whether you're traveling, biking, or creating YouTube content, this camera is like having a full production crew in your pocket. Link down below if you want to explore the 360 revolution. Co-engineered with Leica, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is built for creators who need top-tier performance in all conditions. It features a 1x1.3-inch sensor, dual AI chips for smart noise reduction and clarity, and an 8K video resolution that captures every tiny detail. You also get a flip-up front screen for easy vlogging, and advanced audio processing for clearer voice capture, even in wind or crowd noise. It's rugged, waterproof, and built for low-light conditions, making it perfect for both outdoor explorers and content creators. Plus, the AI editing tools in the companion app are some of the best in the business. If you want smart, pro-level performance in a compact form, this is it. Hit the link in the description to learn more. Light on a budget but still want quality? The AKASO Brave 8 Lite is the most value-packed action cam this year. It records crisp 4K at 60 frames per second, snaps 20-megapixel HDR photos, and includes super smooth stabilization for shake-free video. It also features an intuitive touchscreen, 8x slow motion, a super wide-angle lens, and even zoom functionality. You get all this, plus a remote control and a full set of accessories, right out of the box. It's waterproof and built for real-world use. Whether you're just getting started or need a reliable backup cam, the Brave 8 Lite won't disappoint. Check it out below. It's one of the best bargains out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let us know which camera you'd trust on your next journey.